How are your muscles?
It's not charged.
Hi, tatay! Nakalimutan mo lang pa-vlog kami.
Oh! I can't!
Hindi pala cheese bar yung ginawa natin, yema pala. Tell them a story.
So, my mom is very sensitive and my dad is very naughty.
Do you like cheese?
No, I love it. Oh my
You help
god!
me.
What is she actually doing?
Why do you love cheese?
Because I have a mouth. Mm. So, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to bake.
We're gonna bake cheese bars for the first time, right?
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, so this is the first time we're gonna try. We're supposed to bake chocolate chip cookies. Kasi sabi ni Zini, nagawa na daw namin yan dati. So, good luck sa atin. We're trying this for the first time. Okay? So, Zini, what are the ingredients?
The ingredients are 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, also
What else? This one. What's this?
cheese,
No. This one. Butter.
butter,
Okay. This 1/2 cup butter, and then we also need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla,
yeah,
and then what else? And then this one. You know what this is?
condensed milk,
Condensed milk. 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and then for the dry ingredients, we need what's this?
the flour,
Flour. Okay, 2 cups of flour, and then this one is 1/2 teaspoon of this one.
I don't know,
Baking powder, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then of course, because we're making cheese bars, we need 3/4 cups of grated cheese and more cheese for toppings. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. What should we do first, Chef Zini?
1 cup of sugar,
Yeah, so we need to mix. What's this?
the butter.
Butter. Okay. This is room temperature butter.
That's a lot of butter. It already melt.
Yeah, because you need to make sure it's room make sure it's room temperature para mas mabilis siyang i-mix. Okay?
Take it.
Yep. Before anything else pala, make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees before you start doing this. And then, what's next, Chef Zini? We're gonna put the
Sugar.
sugar. Okay, this is 1 cup of sugar. It's a lot of sugar. Okay.
I think we should already give it a mix.
Okay, give it a mix. Are you ready? Can
Yeah,
I
I
put
think
the
so.
egg now? Okay. So, make sure that you crack the egg first on a separate bowl. Kasi di ba minsan may mga eggs na may sira or bugok. So, sayang kasi kung dito nyo siya ika-crack tapos sira pala yung egg. So, make sure you crack it on a separate bowl. I'm gonna put in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
This is so hard.
Like we said, dapat kasi chocolate chip cookies lang yung bake namin. Sabi ni Zini, wala na daw siyang challenge kasi nagawa na natin. Okay, I'm gonna put in, we didn't have vanilla, so buti meron sa bakery, malapit sa amin. And then, we can put in 1/2 cup of, I'll help you and then you mix.
That is so...
Yeah, you have sugar and condensed milk. Okay. So, just so you know,
Yeah.
Zini is only allowed to eat sweets every what?
Saturday.
Every Saturday.
But I want to get a taste.
Yeah, it's okay later. While you're doing that,
I
I'm
think
gonna...
we add a lot of condensed
Yeah, it's better if you have a mixer. Kaso wala kaming mixer. So, we need to do this for some exercise. I'm gonna help you.
Ooh, it's so fast.
Muscle workout. Kwentuhan mo muna sila while I'm mixing it.
So we actually it's already late and we have to eat lunch already, but we started to do this because, well, my mom was in a hurry and, well, she's already mixing it and she has strong water.
Kasi Zini woke up and she just thought of doing something new. So, nag-cramming kami. Sabi namin, we need to have this ready before lunch. It's okay.
I think I'll do it.
Alright. So, while Zini's mixing that, I think I'm gonna prepare the dry ingredients. Okay, so we have here 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of... 2 cups. Are you okay?
No.
How are your muscles?
It's not charged.
It's not charged. Okay.
Ew.
Just so you know, so we're still in quarantine, right?
Yeah,
and
I know.
Zini and I haven't been out of the house since March. Okay? I think we went out twice lang. Do you remember? When was the first time?
We went to dentist.
What?
We went to dentist.
Yeah, the first... No, that's the second one. The first
Oh,
one
I
is
know.
when we had the flu vaccine.
Okay.
And then the second one is when we had to go to the dentist. So we're
For
really...
my teeth.
Yeah, because ouchie na yung teeth niya. So we're really taking the stay-at-home order very seriously. Kaya kung ano-ano ng hobby ang nagawa natin together. Nawawala. Hobby together. So baking is one of those hobbies that we've been trying out. Are you ready? Okay, so I'll prepare
It's
dry
acting
ingredients.
like slime.
Okay, the dry ingredients. So again, 2 cups of flour, and then I'm gonna put in the half teaspoon of
This is harder.
baking soda. Salt, half a teaspoon salt.
Yeah.
Hala, dumikit. Okay. Alright. Hi, tatay. Nakalimutan mo nagpa-vlog kami. Okay, so we're putting in the dry ingredients na little by little kasi nga wala kaming mixer. Tatay, wala kaming mixer.
Good. Snap tatay to make a vlog.
Above.
Yeah.
No.
So first, you gatla the
Tatay,
Don't tell.
we're having fried chicken for lunch. Okay, go. I think it's okay. We put in
Oh.
Tapos black pa yung suot ko. Maybe you can sing na lang for them. Come on.
This day is gonna be fantastic. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh.
Hirap na walang mixer.
Whoa.
Meron na akong muscles after.
Also,
You tell them a story.
Also-
What did you do last Christmas? Oh, you should check out Zini's video. She did an unboxing video by
Yeah.
herself.
a lot.
A lot.
Yes. Let me help you.
So, ginaya lang namin tong recipe na to.
You made dough!
Yo.
I'll do it.
Okay. Sige.
Oh! I can't!
Hindi pala cheese bar yung ginawa natin. Yema pala.
That's yama.
Tell them a story.
So, my mom is very sensitive and my dad is very naughty.
very what?
Naughty. And my mom is so sensitive.
What do you mean sensitive? Why? So, you're eating the... I think okay na siya. Parang hindi yata ganito dapat yung consistency niya.
Should we add the cheese already?
Okay. Oh, you put the cheese.
All?
Yep. Yeah, good job. I can use this. Zany really likes cheese. Do you like cheese?
No, I love it.
Nanay became so busy. Hindi na kami nakakapag-vlog. Actually, madaming na-shoot si Zany. Kaso, I didn't have time to edit.
And wait, before we add the other ingredients, just don't forget to like and subscribe.
So this is our baking pan.
It's so hot.
Yep. You can actually grease the pan, but I'm using baking paper.
Yeah, I think I can do that.
No, you.
Oh my
help me.
god, what is she actually doing?
Yeah, I don't know. Eh, kasi nga, we're doing it for the first time. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Me too.
I have no
Yeah,
idea what I'm
I
doing.
think I can do it. Ah,
So sticky. What are we making? Ako punasan.
I've been doing this for a million hours.
Baka naman may magbigay sa atin ng apron. Ano? Ay, matching apron. Right?
Yeah, I'm watching apron.
To winning apron.
Is it okay if I get Fluttershy and you get Fluttershy too?
Fluttershy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you want Pinkie Pie?
Yeah, I like Pinkie Pie.
But I don't like Pinkie Pie. I want Fluttershy.
So-
Oh my
So
god.
sticky. I think we did something wrong.
I know. Okay, I don't know.
I think we did something wrong.
Oh, I can't believe I just made dough. I really love cheese.
Why? Mouse.
I told you, I'm a mouse.
Why do you love cheese?
Because I'm a mouse.
Ano?
Want some?
Later. Mo siya ubusin, wala ka ng toppings. Right. I think okay na to. Wait.
I love it.
You put in more cheese. Or toppings. Come on. Top it with more cheese. Go. Go. Do it. Sabi ko tap. Tap it in the pan, not in your mouth. Okay. Go. It's gonna be cheesy. Ito namang chef na to. Do you think this will be yummy?
I hope so.
Right, so this is naka-block pa ako eh. Ayan. So, eto na yung cheese bar natin. We're gonna put it we're gonna be so messy. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the oven.
We're gonna put it all to clean you.
Alright, wait. Yep.
Okay, so this is my whiteboard. And then this is my chalk.
So, I set it for 20 minutes first.
One eternity later.
Ayan. So, after lunch, sakto yung cheese bars natin natapos na. Kinain namin siya ng 30 minutes kasi pagtusok ko ng, wala kaming toothpick. So, pagtusok ko ng fork, medyo hilaw pa siya. So, in-extend ko ng mga 10 minutes pa. Ito na yung finished product natin. Yay! And then, let it cool for a while. Tapos, ikakat na natin siya into bars.
Just please let me eat it already.
Okay.
I am so hungry.
So, tatay?
Yung cheese bar, ang secret niya talaga is sa paghihiwa.
No, it's not.
So,
And our special ingredient,
Is what? Oh.
okay.
What's that?
dove.
Pawis.
Is wet. Ang secret ingredient is wet.
Alright. So sweet. Ay, yummy.
The camera, camera.
I can.
Your phone.
Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Pwede ka sa cooking siya. Is it really yummy?
Yeah.
Don't talalay.
Really yummy.
It is.
Try. Wow! Perfect!
Not bad for a first time. Come on. Yeah. What's the secret ingredient?
No. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. For more videos, bye.
Bye!
I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall.
Bye-bye! Mwah! Bye-bye!
Ah, good morning.